Hello everyone, this is Mikal here. Today in this session I am going to discuss about user management in Active Directory. Open Server Manager. In Active Directory users and computers, we can see our domain, users, computers, domain controllers and other objects. Here we are discussing about users. By default, server have default accounts like domain guest, domain users, administrators and all. Creating new user, right, right click and click on new user. Enter the user details here. It will log into the IT engineer domain. Set a strong password for your user account. These are the options relating password and your account. User must change password at next login. If you have checked the option, when the user will log on his computer, login window will prompt password change option there. Otherwise, you can click on user cannot change the password. And the password will expire after 41 days if you are not enabling this password expire. And whenever any emergency situation or we need to block the account or disable the account, we can set by account is disabled option. Click on next. Review the details you have given before. Click on finish. Now the new user Abdul Karim is created here. Click on properties. Here you can add more information about the user. When it comes to account session, now the user logon name is Mir and you can change the logon hours. If a particular user is an employee, you can deny his permission to access the server in off days or weekends. Like if he is working from Monday to Thursday or Sunday to Thursday, Friday will be holiday. You can manage or deny the access to the server on Friday. Here is this option. Now I deny the access to the server on the Friday. You can manage time also. If he is in regular shift, you can select all this time. Or in a particular shift like night shift or something, you can select according to the time. Click on OK. This option allows you to grant or deny the user to access particular system. Here now we are given the user can log on to all computers option. If you have connected 10 computers under your server as a client or user, he or she can access the server from any of the 10 computers because we are given the option as all computers. We can change option to following computers and you can add the computer name. It will restrict or allow the user to access specific computer. And sometimes the user try to enter the passwords of several times, forget the password, and user will try to enter some random password and try to log in. After multiple time of entering the password, the account will be locked. That time he or she will contact the IT admin. So from Active Directory, we can enable the account by clicking on Unlock Accounts. And here are some account options and password policies. Change according to your requirement. And this account expires option required when you are closing the account of particular employee. For example, I am saying if a university student is joining a college, he is leaving or passing out a particular month or year, you can set the date according to that. Next, coming to user profile. This user profile we will discuss later on coming session. Now you can see this user only the member of domain users. He or she can act as a domain user with the basic user rights. If we need to grant administrator privileges, we can easily add administrator member. I hope you guys understand the basic idea about how to manage a user in Active Directory. See you in next video. Thank you.